Getting to or watching this video, we have designed an electric generator as there are a lot of problems of pollution our country is facing. Therefore, we have designed an electric generator to solve these problems. The problems it will solve are first, it will generate electricity without any fuel. Second, it will not make noise pollution as no combustion will take place. Third, it will not generate any residue or harmful gas that can harm our environment or can cause any respiratory problems.
The idea is of a magnetic engine that runs without any kind of fuel and can solve many problems. We have used magnets in it by attaching them on upper part of the piston, and it is made like an inline engine, and we have used attraction and repulsion property of magnets to run the engine.
Basic of our machine. We use technique of magnets property that same pole to each other and opposite pole attracts each other. We have used two magnets to continue cycle to generate electricity. We have used magnets in piston and above it. First piston repels, along that second piston will attract. The second piston will go up and it will also repel along that first piston will attract and above magnets. We will connect a gearbox to rotating rod and to that we will connect a alternator which basically generates electricity. Like this, the cycle continues to generate electricity.
The idea is eco-friendly and can reduce a large amount of pollution if used by at least 50% of people in the world. It is affordable for all classes of people and can light their homes with joy. It can run as long as you wish, only a brake is needed to stop it.